Hi guys, so today we have a very exciting video. I'm going to do an unboxing. We got Gucci here. Woo! I actually just got back from getting this, so I didn't order it online or anything. I knew what to expect. I saw it myself in person, but I thought this video would be fun to do, especially for you guys who are interested in getting it and kind of just want to do a bit more research and see more stuff about it. So yeah, I'm going to show you this handbag today and kind of do my review on it. And yeah, let's get started. And then inside we have this box, which I was expecting a Gucci box, but I mean, it's just the box. It doesn't really matter. What matters is what is inside. So let's open this. Alright, so inside, here we have it. And this is the Gucci Ophidia GG, is what they call it. So it's in its nice, like dust bag. Here you see the Gucci. Let's open this. Guys, I'm obsessed with this bag. I've been seeing this all over like Instagram lately, and I've been wanting this for about a few months now, and I've been thinking about this purse every day. I'm not gonna lie. Like I can't get over it. It's just gorgeous. I mean, look at this. It's got that Gucci, like vintage look to it, which I love. I like that it's canvas and not leather. And, ooh, it's just gorgeous. I love it. I like that's kind of different and unique because it has like the stripe and then it has like that Gucci pattern, the double G pattern. But I also loved these like charms on the zipper, the double G. This is gorgeous. My god, guys. Well, let's see if I can get this off of here. Here we have the strap. And it's not like a like true like brown color. It's more kind of like a like kind of like taupe, which I think is really nice. So yeah, it's gorgeous. So here's the handle. Let's see if I can put this together. So yeah, it just like goes through here. And I like that when I tried this on, at least for someone like me who isn't very tall. I am about 5'4", and this wasn't like too long on me when I wore it like as a crossbody. But if you are on the tall side, that might be a problem. So here it is. If you guys can see this. So yeah, it hits me about like right on my hip, so it's perfect for me, and this is on the first loop. But yeah, if you are much taller, it's gonna be, you know, further up. But yeah, it's perfect for me because sometimes I get, you know, a crossbody bag is just too long and it doesn't look right. But yeah, this one is perfect, and I just think the quality is really nice. I think it will last a long time, and I think this is also timeless as well. Just a gorgeous look. So yeah, let's open up the inside. So yeah, here we have it. Got that Gucci double G pattern, and then of course the red and green stripe. And I love the gold hardware. So let's take this off. Yeah, I really loved the zippers with the double G. Alright, let's unzip this. And also, I think this is a really good size as well. It fits pretty much all my necessities that I take out with me. So yeah, I don't like bags that are like too big and then you like everything gets lost them and it eats everything up. I have a few bags like that and I can't stand them. So this one is perfect size for me. And I love the inside. Really excited about the inside. Look at that. It's like a teal, like satin print inside, which I think is so cool. This is like my favorite color. Look at that. I just think it looks really cool, like with the outside, and then to have that like pop of color. It's kind of like a surprise. So we have a few. What's inside here? So in one of the pockets we have just like a Gucci responsibility, probably how to take care of your purse. So yeah, not too exciting, but we do have a few pockets in here. We have one big one. I know it's kind of hard to open. We have two small ones right here on this side. And then we have a bigger one than right here. So yeah, I think it's a pretty big, I mean, it will fit what I need without being like too small or too big. I was also looking at the smaller size of this. It's more like a rectangular shape. Gosh, what do they call that? I'm not sure what they call it, but it's part of like the Ophidia line. I was also looking at that one. It is significantly cheaper, but I just had to go with this one. I love it. This it's at 1,390, but with tax and everything, it came to 1,490. So very expensive bag, but this will last me a long time. It's gorgeous. It's timeless. Like, I just love it. Ugh, I just want to hug it. I want to hug it all day long. I love this so much. My God. This is my first Gucci bag also. And I've always wanted a Gucci handbag. So I think this one is just perfect. I love it so much. Yeah, just gorgeous. I'll have to see how it holds up, but it looks like it's going to be very durable. It's very sturdy. And yeah, just a gorgeous bag, guys. So if you are thinking about getting this, I hope this video was helpful for you so you can kind of see it and kind of get my take on it. And I mean, I just really love it. I think it's a gorgeous handbag, perfect size. Just, yeah, it's not like too dressy either. This is a bag you could take around like any day with any outfit pretty much, I think. But I obviously wouldn't want to carry this around every day. I want to, you know, take care of it because it is so expensive. So this will be like kind of a special occasion bag. But I love it. I'm so happy with my purchase. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.